What is going on, guys? Eric here with a super quick video. Apologize for doing this in my car, but I'm on my way to work and I got about 5 minutes to get this done. I want to try to get it uploaded tonight. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video about how Amazon Flex was changing the amount of hours we could work. I'll post a link to it up there or up there, depending on if this is a mirror image. But recently, I just found out today, and I was on a chat with a couple other members in my Facebook group to verify this is what is happening now in Akron, Ohio. They actually started to send out reserve blocks again, which has been forever. But here's the kicker. One, they aren't 4-hour blocks now. They're 3.5-hour blocks. Who knows why? Amazon changes things every day. All right, guys, I want to add this in here real quick. I think I found out why the blocks went from 4 hours to 3.5, and it's a reason that I thought, and I actually verified this with another driver today. It never takes us 4 hours to get our blocks done. So the blocks have dropped from 4 hours to 3.5, and my suspicions were correct. It is still the same amount of packages. The guy I talked to today, he had 48 packages, and that's usually about the max we'll get on a 4-hour route. So basically, it's not technically a pay cut, but you're doing the same amount of work and they're giving you less time to get it done. I think that's a little bit shifty. So I just want to add that part in here, and now back to the regular scheduled video. But here's the big kicker. It's either 1 or 2 minutes to accept the reserve. I'm going to post a picture somewhere here of the reserve offer I got. It came in, it was either $2.42 or $2.43, and it said you had to accept it by 2:44 p.m. And I was just wondering, maybe that was a typo or something, because I had a reserve block like that the other night and I accepted it. But this one, I know I wouldn't be able to work Saturday morning because of my other job, so I didn't accept it. And sure enough, at 2:44, it was gone. So I want to know if this is just happening in my market. Once again, I'm out of Akron, Ohio, where you get a reserve offer. You have 2 minutes to accept the offer or it's gone. I mean, it's getting so hard to get a block unless you can stay tied to your phone 24/7 these days. So I don't know what's going on. And like I said, the 3.5 hours instead of 4 hours are weird. Is that happening everywhere else? Like I said, here in Akron, they seem to change things up by the day. So all right, guys, I'm going to get to work. I'm going to try to get this video uploaded tonight. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hey, give it a thumbs down. I'll be okay. All right, guys, so until next time, I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, get out there, make that money, and enjoy your life.